USB extension cables. Came with 5 hook and loop straps. There are 3 cables. They look like. Got this extension cable that powers a AA battery in this microphone. So there's a connector here for this extension. And this one's not super long, so I could swap it with this a bit longer so that I can rotate the camera a little more freely. The Atomos Ninja V recorder needs a powered microphone as a secondary. This thing goes to actual AA battery inside the microphone to keep it powered. There's one of the new ones. It is more flexible too than the other one. My power strip on the bottom here is USB power, so it's easy enough just to connect it like that. It's powered, so that should be good. But yeah, so far these are very nice. Pretty flexible. They look like standard USB 2 types because they have the white connector on the inside, but not bad. Yeah, those are from the company Conable.